Welcome back to Tom Lamb's Farm Videos. Today we've got a few jobs on. We're going to wash another one of the grain stores out, and then we've got one more to do after that one. The other two have been done already and been had all the chemicals sprayed on them, so that's good, so that it kills any bugs. So we're looking pretty good. I haven't got one of my Tom Lamb hats on today. I've got a Fent one on. I'd like to mix it up a little bit. So right, let's go and get on. Getting the shed cleaned out. All the walls are steaming because the sun's on it from the other side. You see that? This is the smallest grain store. I just want to get it ready for next week because I still haven't got it quite washed out, so I've got to wash it out, get all these bits of muck out, and there's all these cobwebs up here, look, get all them out. And once I've done that, I'm going to spray it with some chemical, kill any bugs that are left in it. That's it done for the walls now. Now I can get rid of the cherry picker and do all the sides and then the floor. Probably brush the floor out with the JCB. The only problem with this shed is that it's got tin walls like that. So if you drive into them, you can bend them. I mean, they take a bit of driving into, but like the concrete walls, if you drive into them as hard as you can, you won't even move them. So I did think about replacing this with concrete walls, but it's another expense that isn't really needed. As you can see here, got drove into with a bucket, so it's just got a bit of tape over it. But to get these walls out, they're concreted in the floor, so you've got to jackhammer all the floor out, so it's a bit of a pain, so just leave it. Just washing it all out, and then the brush is pulling it all out the door. Make everything nice and clean, look. Usually push forward with it, but we're pulling it all back and out the door. Oh, that's it, pull all that lot out. first job of the day done. How's that looking? Hopefully it'll dry out in time for harvest now. So we'll just get all this packed up and go do the next job. Next thing, ECR 25D. Some nice person's got concrete up the blade. So now we've got to get that off. It's coming off quite easy actually. Luckily it's just flaked off. Remember this shed that got filled up the other month? Well, it started getting empty, so we're filling it up again with wheat. How much we got left? Just getting rid of the last 2 loads of last year's wheat straw. So just unloading it at a local horse yard so they can use it for horse bedding. Getting the shed empty because it will soon be full of this year's straw. Another load just come in and I'm stacking it in this shed over here. As I come back, more lorries of wheat coming in. Another one on the weighbridge ready to come in. Back that trailer under there, and then we're going to have to go and start pushing up with all this wheat coming in. I think another 380, 400 tonne coming. What Dad been saying to the bloke in the lorry?
What hasn't he been saying? Give him his life story, I reckon.
Right. Literally, I've only been gone 10 minutes, and the bloody whole lot all starting to come in again. Of course, it started to rain again. Yes, fantastic. I'm going to use my trusty hand again. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep going back. Into the heap so I ain't got to push it up as much. 3, 2, 1. I'll do it. Yeah, it's properly raining outside now, which isn't good. Just shove that over the back of there, like that. So if you're watching yesterday's video, you'll remember we're doing a bit of welding. So I've just had that outside and pressure washed it as well. So I'm gonna hang it up in a minute and we're gonna paint it all. Don't know what colour to paint it yet. I suppose red to match the tractor, but I do quite like yellow. I don't really know. Don't know what paint I got left over, so I'm gonna go and have a look at that. It's, yeah, welds are okay on it. It's all looking a bit, you know, I just sort of just did that to hold it. And also, the other thing we've been doing, we sealed all the tyres yesterday. We've been putting all them back in as well, so that's another job nearly done. Just got the last few to put in, but you can imagine the Vardastads with the tyres in a big long row, they're really difficult to get out. Whereas because these are staggered, you can get the bolts out easier, which is a lot better, really. It's properly raining now. So pleased. So pleased. Well, I'm sure that, oh, now it's coming down even harder. I'm sure a lot of people out there probably want to get on and can't because it just keeps raining. So we're all in the same boat, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, don't work yourselves up. Just go and do something else like I do, forget about it. So there's not a lot else I can really do today. Well, so I can't be bothered either. So we'll go and do something else. What else can we do? Don't know. Go and hoover the house, something like that. Anyway, a lot of you sort of keep asking to do a bit of a farm tour and a few other bits. Well, I haven't done it yet, but somebody else has. A bloke called GCS Machinery, Michael. Here's a picture of the video he did the other day. So go and have a look. If you want to have a look at his video, you'll see a few other bits anyway. So yeah, go and check his video out. And yeah, what's the weather doing where you are? Keep asking this question because all it does here is rain. Yeah, rain, rain, rain. But anyway, right, enough of that. And I'll see you on the next video.